An antenuptial agreement, or a prenuptial agreement, is an agreement made between parties before getting married, permitting them to individually retain certain assets during the marriage, and after the marriage if divorce arises. If parties wish to keep certain assets separate from what they own together, they can agree to sign an antenuptial agreement, giving effect to such. In order for an antenuptial agreement to be legally binding, parties must follow state law and regulations. In most states, an antenuptial agreement must be in writing and signed by both parties. The agreement must also be made voluntarily.